Harbor Freight Workbench. I'm just messing around. I just thought that would be a more interesting way to start off a video as some old Louisiana man. I don't know. Anyways, this is an actual Harbor Freight Workbench. I have nothing to do with Harbor Freight. I could care less about them. They have some good stuff. They have some shit stuff. Whatever. But this is a pretty cool workbench I found they had, and I put it together. So it's in fast motion, but if you pause it along the way, you can see exactly how it goes together, even if you're not an old Louisiana man. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and share. Appreciate it.